5 seconds to go. Start. The chairman, State Bank of India, Central Office, Mumbai, and the Chief General Manager, State Bank of India, Local Head Office, Chennai, the appellants, in this appeal, assail the order and judgment dated 9th December 2008 of the High Court of Kerala at Ernakulam, dismissing their intra-court writ appeal WA number 2052 of 2007. The division bench thereby affirmed the order of the single judge in OP of 1999 dated 14th March 2007, quashing the disciplinary proceedings against Mr. M. J. James, the respondent, on the ground of violation of clause 22(9)(a) of chapter 8 of the Bank of Cochin Service Code, the Service Code. Before we proceed further, we need to allude to the factual background necessary for the disposal of the present appeal. On 9th February 1984, a memorandum of charges was issued to the respondent that while working as the bank manager of the Quilon branch of the Bank of Cochin from February 1978 to September 1982, he had committed grave misconduct by sanctioning advances in violation of the head office instructions, causing financial loss to the bank. The respondent, by the reply dated 30th March 1984, denied the charges, stating that there was substantial increase and growth in the business of the bank when he was the manager of the Quilon branch. The deposits had increased from rupees 20 lakh in 1978 to rupees 1 crore in 1982, and the advances had increased from rupees 1.5 crore in 1978 to rupees 6 crore in 1982. As the bank manager of the Quilon branch, the respondent was aware that the top management of the bank was contemplating a deep trust in advances in view of the comfortable loanable fund availability. He had been asked by Mr. E. K. Andrew, former chairman of the bank, to grant advances without hesitation. He had got oral instructions from Mr. E. K. Andrew to allow disbursement drawings from most of the large accounts. Further, the then director, Mr. C. B. Joseph, from the Quilon branch, was personally involved as he had introduced the borrowers, and most of the advances disbursements drawings were made on his recommendation insistence. The respondent had claimed that the bank did not have a foolproof system of delegation of financial and other powers to the branches, as powers were conferred on select managers. The respondent was given to understand by the then chairman and director that he was vested with adequate powers and the advances would be ratified by the board in due course. The functioning of the branch and the advances were subjected to periodical inspections by the authorities, including the Reserve Bank of India. The respondent had never been questioned on the pattern of business conducted by the branch. Subsequently, there were changes in the top management and abrupt restrictions were introduced affecting the recovery of the dues. The aforesaid explanation of the respondent was not found to be satisfactory and an inquiry was directed to be held. Mr. C.T. Joseph, a practicing advocate, was appointed as the inquiry officer. Stop.